Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Friday, April 24th. Principal Diaz coming to you on the morning announcements. Again, safe at home in my living room. Today is not technically an A day. It's not technically a B day. It is what I am calling a catch up day. So, wanted to give you guys a heads up. The faculty and staff at Douglas want to extend this courtesy to you, the student body, that on Fridays for the next couple of months or the next couple of weeks, really, we are going to review, we are going to reteach, reassess, rework. We're going to provide ample opportunity for you to reach out to us and tell us, I didn't understand Pythagorean's theorem. I don't understand mitochondrial DNA. Please help me on this computer programming language or this tort that I just need help on. That is your opportunity to just reach out to us and ask for help. That's what we're here for. So the pandemic that we're experiencing right now is historic and epic in nature, and it will change the way that education, the way that learning, the way that schools operate from here forth. I fully anticipate that a lot of the things that we do at Douglas with Canvas and Chromebooks and one-to-one technology will catch on, not just at the other high schools, but possibly the middle schools and possibly the elementary schools. The universities have been doing this for years: distance learning, online learning, synchronous, asynchronous. They have a lot of different platforms and a lot of experience with the way that they provide instruction to their young adults, their students. And now we are adjusting to do the same. So we're working on streamlining our communication. We're working on making sure that you have access to the content, and that notion of the instructional core is alive. We want you to be ethical with your Chromebook. Make sure you're taking care of, make sure you're charging, make sure that you are contacting and engaging with the lessons on a daily basis. I am going to meet with the SBDM today at 2 o'clock, and those meetings are open to the public. You're welcome to join if you're caught up with all your work, and you have nothing else that you need to be doing. You're welcome to join us. We're going to have an SBDM meeting, and we're going to talk about NTI moving forward towards the end of the year, what that's going to look like, grading policy. We're going to talk about schedules. We're going to talk about a lot of different things pertaining to instruction, the instructional core, the content, the students, all that working together at that meeting this afternoon. But my point, and I go back to what I'm originally trying to tell you, is take advantage of today. Take advantage of today and look at those assignments that you may be missing. Look at some of those assignments that you did not do well on. Try to learn and understand what you might be missing, because at the end of the day, this time will define us, right? The time that we are out of the building, experiencing social distancing, and required to be self starters will define your success. Because I promise you, boys and girls, I promise you, not everybody, not every school, not every state, not everybody is working to their maximum capacity. They're not putting out the energy, the effort, the efficiency that they would be if they would be in the building. That's what I need from you. I need you to have your game face on, and I need you to be full go on the assignments that you have, the learning that you are doing. And on that notion, just a sidebar thought, just something for you to think about. I challenge you: start a journal, a diary, a blog, a video, Rolodex, something to archive your emotions, your feelings, and your thoughts, because future generations are going to want to know what it was like to go through this, right? We wish we had literature from the Spanish flu. We wish we had more information about the Black Plague. We wish we had these personal narratives that I'm asking you to put together, right? Everybody's story is different. My story, even though we're in the same town, my story is different than your story. My thoughts are different than your thoughts. So the things that are going in my brain that I am documenting on a daily basis is my archive of these events, my reality, my perspective. And I'm asking you to kind of give that some thought and think about um, not necessarily monetizing that, but archiving it in a way that we can go back, reflect, and look at in the future. Okay, I got a message from the government, one of the agencies that is conducting the census for 2020. I want to encourage you to go to 2020 census.gov, 2020 census.gov, and respond. They're at about 57% response. That's not good. I know that this COVID-19 may be putting a wrench on their ability to capture data, but that data is important because if the government knows the population of a certain town, the requirements of a certain town, they will fund and provide federal funding appropriately based on census information. They keep track of growth, they keep track of statistical um, logarithms or statistical information that can predict future development and things of that nature. I want to leave the trivia question on one more day. I haven't seen a ton of responses. The question is, in the history of FDHS basketball, there has there ever been an athlete to score 1,000 points, and if so, who? I've got several options for you. Please, please, please participate. If you know the answer, if you don't know the answer, just take a guess, and let's engage. My last announcement for today. Drum roll. Boom, boom. Congratulations! I have Freshman Academy Students of the Month for April for the Green Team. Anna Fraley. Congratulations! You are the Student of the Month in the Freshman Academy for the Green Team. Fantastic student, compassionate person, an outstanding Bronco. Gives great effort in what she does here at school. The Orange Team has elected Tyreek Hicks. No, I'm sorry, it's Tyreek Hicks. Done an amazing job and is a very hard worker on his academics, a multi-sport athlete as well. Congratulations for being the Freshman Orange Team April Student of the Month. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your weekend. Try to relax. Get some sunshine. It's going to be nice out there. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, and it is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity. Oh man, I almost forgot. Someday, when I'm awful low, got no place to go. I'll see you guys.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a mac and cheese recipe. It's super simple. You're going to start off by putting some water in a pan and turning the heat on. Then go ahead and add your pasta into the boiling water. Then you're going to throw some butter into a pan and turn the heat on. Then once that's done boiling, you're going to throw in about 2 tablespoons of flour and stir. Then you're going to add in some milk, and you're going to want to add this slowly. Once you've added all your milk, you're going to go ahead and throw in some cheddar cheese. Throw in enough to where you get the consistency and flavor that you like. Then throw in some salt, pepper, and a hint of cayenne. Then you're just going to go ahead and throw this into your pasta, stir, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Good morning, Broncos. Our poem for today is Gathering by Natasha Trethewey. Gathering for sugar. Through tall grass, heavy from rain, my aunt and I wade into cool fruit trees. Near us, dragonflies light on the clothesline, each touch rippling to the next. Green black beetles swarm the fruit, wings droning motion, wet figs glistening. We sigh, click our tongues, our fingers reaching in, then plucking what is left. Underripe figs, green, hard as jewels. These we save, hold in deep white bowls. She puts them to light on the windowsill, tells me to wait, learn patience. I touch them each day, watch them turn gold, grow sweet, and give sweetness back. I begin to see our lives are like this. We take what we need of light. We glisten, preserve hand-picked days in memory, our mind's dark pantry. To read more poems by Natasha Trethewey, check out Monument, Poems New and Selected, available via ebook at the library's website. Have a great morning.